One of the concerns that you talk about a lot, which you and I are on the same page with this whole thing with military-industrial complex that Eisenhower prepared us for a long time ago, and Kennedy followed suit, and then we're realizing now what's going on with, the concepts are very simple. I'm a capitalist. I run businesses. So, for example, you know how shows work. You're now with Rumble. The more eyeballs you get, the more comments you get, the more subs you get, the better you can ask for sponsorship. The deals can be bigger. So if Joe got a massive deal from Spotify, it's because Joe gets eyeballs. It's capitalism. Spotify is willing to pay the money because Joe runs the #1 podcast in 94 different countries on Spotify, okay? He's got the #2 most female listeners worldwide, and he's not a female, podcast. It's Joe running his podcast. What's the moral of the story? The basic concept of capitalism, if, Russell, you and I own 5 hotels in UK, we own 5 hotels in Miami, we would want to know a couple numbers. One number we want to know is how many rooms do we have? What is the price per room that we're renting out? And we want as many rooms to be rented as possible, right? So if we got 2,000 total rooms and we're sitting there saying, hey, Russell, good day today. We're texting at night. Hey, just got a report from our COO. Out of our 5 hotels, 2,000 rooms, 1,873 was used today. Good day, 90+%. Boom. Awesome. Text back. Fantastic. Hey, today was a shitty day. Out of our 2,000 rooms, only 800 rooms were taken. Kind of a rough day on Wednesday night. Damn, what are we doing about it? I don't know. We're having a call tomorrow morning. Okay. If we ran a hospital, we own 5 of them. What allows us to make more money if we have 5 hospitals and we got 2,000 beds? We need more sick people. Think about that for a second. The incentive is more sick people per hospital bed that a person stays there. We make $440 up to $1,800 a night in America, the more people are sick. So is the business model more sick people, more money we make? Yes. So why would we want people to have better diet? And no, we don't need that. We need people to eat shitty food. We need people to not take care of themselves because we need people to come here or else we'll go out of business. So watch the next one here. All right, so military. What is the concept of Raytheon, Northrop Grumman, General Dynamics, and all these guys? Well, if we look at the top institutional money they're getting is also from who? Same 3 people. You know these names, BlackRock, State Street, Vanguard. Top 3 out of 4 on almost every one of those 4 companies I mentioned. They need more wars because more wars equals more money. More money equals more profit. And then we could be the savior, and all of a sudden, Chase and BlackRock sign a $400 billion contract to fix and help rebuild Ukraine. So these are industries that the more we talk about this stuff, people start questioning it, and they're going to have to pivot. And you're starting to see